Experiencing trouble logging into your T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway? You're not alone. Many users face this issue due to a few common reasons. First, ensure you're using the correct admin password. It's often admin or located on the device sticker, but should be changed immediately for security. If forgotten, a factory reset, holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, will restore the default password but erase custom settings. Next, check your IP address. The gateway's admin interface is usually accessible at 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.0.1. Ensure your device is on the same Wi-Fi network and subnet. Finally, browser compatibility is key. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, try incognito mode, or switch to Chrome or Firefox. A wired connection for initial setup can also prevent Wi-Fi-related errors. T-Mobile has also introduced mobile-optimized admin panel. Try using your smartphone for access.